Hi all, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at the US dollar versus both the Canadian dollars and also the US dollar versus the Japanese yen in here, to look at the broader US dollar strength that we're seeing continuing in markets here. Euro and the pound certainly showing significant weakness versus the US dollar. And here, starting off here with US dollar, Canadian dollar, we see the market really defined by a range environment in here, but the underlying bull trend in here from last year and throughout this year still very much intact. Although we're in this 134.57 to 128.28 range, we certainly see risk up to that 134.57 high. And then bigger picture, if we go all that to the monthly chart, you see that high itself, 134.57, was put in respect to this long-term retracement at 134.62. And if we clear through that 134.57.62 area, we can easily see the market up to 135 going into the end of the year, and maybe even closer to a 138 handle, even up towards 140.30, probably more likely up there going into Q1 of next year, but 138.19 certainly in the crosshairs going into the end of the year, into December. If we look at the Japanese yen now, US dollar, Japanese yen, a slight setback on Thursday last week, going into the end of the week, and then a consolidation on Friday. But the market had this strong recovery rebound, having had that previous setback, and the underlying rally in here, this October through November rally, is intact, which created this significant basing structure, and that leaves a better recovery effort to aim for 124.16 and 125.28, potentially into late November, and even up to the 125.85 cycle high as we go through into year end, into December. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist, on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading